Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on OnePlus Nord 3. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and enter Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and you can skip this introduction. And now you have to open permissions to allow this application to display over other apps. And now click back. And now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your widget assistant. And you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, your assistant just generated a joke. And if you want to remove him from your desktop, you can just drag him into the middle on the X icon. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.